National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County in Middle Tennessee until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Olive Hill, or 14 miles east of Savannah, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cypress Inn, Collinwood, Lutz, and Waynesboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.